One of the most important aspects in Proxmox is to install the guest agent within the guest machine in Proxmox virtual environment. So let me quickly show you. This is one of the virtual machines. You need to go here to options, and in options you have to enable the guest agent here. So right now default it is disabled, so I will be simply enabling the QEMU guest agent, and you have to enable this also. It is optional, but it's fine. So I will be first of all turning off the guest machine here so that it takes these settings. So here you go, it's turned off already, and now you can see here guest agent is not running, machine is not running. Of course it is stopped. I will be simply starting the machine now. So here the machine is already started. Let me show you summary IPs, and it says guest agent is not running. So we need to install the guest agent and we need to start the guest agent here. So in order to do that, we will be simply coming here and we'll say sudo apt get install QEMU -guest -agent. Agent is installed right now. And now what we need to do, we need to enable the service, we need to enable the guest agent, and we need to make sure that it automatically starts when the system starts again. And if you see here, if I go back to summary here, right now also the guest agent is not running, though we have installed it, but it is not running. So we need to go back here, and what we need to do now, we'll be starting the service. We'll do systemctl start, and it will be QEMU -guest -agent, and enter the password. Authentication complete, and the service must be running right now. So if I see systemctl status, you can see here service is running. We need to now enable the service so that it automatically starts when the server starts. So enable, here you go, enter the password, and done. So here the service is right now running, and if I go back here to summary, and in summary you can see here I'm getting the IP addresses here. So right now the server IP address is this. Of course, if I want to see additional IP addresses, so all the additional IP addresses will be there, and there is a lot that you can do with the help of QEMU guest agent. So this was all about using the QEMU guest agent in Proxmox virtual environment. Let's continue to next video now.